Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to change the color of eyes using Photoshop. So we've already seen that how to enhance the eyes or how to retouch the eyes. If you haven't seen that video, I'll attach the link in the right hand corner. Please go and watch that video. And in that video what I had shown is that how to enhance the color of eyes, how to make eyes look brighter and better. But now in this tutorial what we are going to see is that how to change the color of eyes, kind of like faking, but it shouldn't look that fake. So we are going to see how to fake the color of eyes, but it should look in a natural way. So let's see how to do that now in Photoshop. So this is the image that we are going to work with today, and already the eyes look not so good. They just look edited, and I don't appreciate these color of eyes personally. It's my personal preference. But anyways, so if you want to change the color of eyes, what you would think is just we can just long tap on the dodge tool, go to sponge tool, mode is saturate, and then we'll just start by painting on this one. But remember, this is a little white color, or you can see it's of gray color, and gray color won't get saturated even further because it's the highest state of saturation. And even if you try to desaturate and make it black, even that won't work quite well. It's because again it's gray, and gray it's a mid-tone, so it cannot be saturated or desaturated. It is just the way it is. So even if you try to saturate, as you can see, there's no difference. The only difference that you can see is just the red, the eye is becoming a little red, and it doesn't look that good, and basically it doesn't look good at all. So same way with this eye as well. If you try to saturate, it will become red, but it won't become brighter, or it won't become of a different color that you were expecting. So for that, what we have to do is a little trick or little faking that we'll just see in this tutorial. So for that, just select a foreground color. Currently it is black. Just go to any color which you feel like working with. So if I want the eyes to be of brown color, I'll select brown color. If I want the eyes to be faked as blue color, I'll use the blue color. Let's try with blue color once. If we are not satisfied with blue color, then we'll try with brown color. But almost all the colors work with this particular case. Let's see which one in this particular image will look better. Let's try it out. So I'll select this color. It's more of a cyan color, so I'll just click on OK. So I've set this color as my foreground color. Now using this brush, I'll just use a big brush so that it covers the complete eye. So just like this, I'll cover it. So I've plotted a dot over there. I need to be a little precise. I'll increase the size. Now just plot a little dot over here on top of the eye. Okay, so before doing that, we just mistaken, and before doing that, what we have to do is just add a new layer so that the image is not destructive, it's constructive, and basically we need that new layer to work with. So with this new layer, now you can just plot a brush on this eye, and same way with this one, I'll reduce the size a little bit. So as you can see, I've plotted both the points on both the eyes. Now what I have to do is just go to the blending modes using this layer and just select a blending mode that works. So darken looks quite good. I am appreciating actually this one. Let's try with darken. Let's see how it looks. So this is before and this is after. It looks quite good, just that it's looking a little edited. So for that, what we can do is just reduce the fill to somewhat like 60% or midway, depending on what your requirement is, and we can reduce the opacity as well to around 70%. Let's see how it looks now. So it looks quite natural now. It's looking better. We can work with other colors as well. We can try using other blending modes as well. So we were using darken. We can use multiply as well, color burn, linear burn. Darker color doesn't do anything, so that doesn't make sense. Screen, lighten. These blending modes doesn't make sense as well. Same way with overlay. Overlay is quite similar to darken, so we are just going to work with darken itself. Then we have soft light, hard light. So I don't think so any of these would work well. Hard mix is looking good. but it's looking quite edited. Like look at this one, it's looking so bright and it's just looking edited. We don't want that, so I guess we'll just go back to darken, and this is what we can work with this image. If you want to do more changes with this one, now you can go to the sponge tool and work with the saturation or color burn, or like you can work with anything what you want. You can work with burn or dodge depending on what your requirement is, but I guess saturation would work, and once done you can just flatten the image and save this one. You can work with other colors as well. You can try with brown or yellow, or for that matter you can try green as well, so it's totally up to you. But for different colors and different images, different blending modes would be applied. So make sure that you don't get stuck to just one single blending mode. Make sure you try out every different blending mode, and once you find a blending mode to be good, just work with the opacity and the fill, and it would work well and it would look good. So well, that's it for today guys. If you found the video to be helpful, please like the video, and in case of any queries or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me through the comments. With that being said, it's me Ram Agarwal signing off for the day. See you in the next one. Thank you.